China and Russia continue to violate international norms on land, at sea, in space, in cyberspace. Beijing's provocative actions keep raising tensions across the Taiwan Strait and in the East-South China Seas. Moscow's military buildup on Ukraine's borders and its increasingly harsh rhetoric not only threaten Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity, but peace and stability across Europe. And Beijing and Moscow are deepening their military cooperation. Meanwhile, the DPRK's unlawful nuclear and missile programs pose an ongoing threat, and we saw that again this week with the most recent launch. We'll sign a new 5-year host nation support framework that will invest greater resources to deepen our military readiness and interoperability. And we're launching a new research and development agreement that will make it easier for our scientists, for our engineers, and program managers to collaborate on emerging defense-related issues, from countering hypersonic threats to advancing space-based capabilities. When Japanese and American researchers bring their complementary strengths to bear, we can outcompete and out-innovate anyone.
The international community is faced with fundamental and multifaceted challenges, such as the change in the strategic balance, unilateral and coercive attempt to change the status quo, abusive use of unfair pressure, and expanding authoritarian regime, among others, not only in ensuring the security of both Japan and the United States, but also in maintaining rules-based, free and open international order and ensuring regional peace, stability, and prosperity. It is more important than ever that Japan and the US are united and exhibit leadership as both nations share strategic interests and universal values. Both Japan and the US must always continue to respond effectively to various challenges of the present and the future.